Mr. and Mrs. Paul, it's important to understand Mr. Sean's medication regimen. He's taking a combination of medications for his heart condition and diabetes.
Mihira, we're trying our best to ensure he takes his medications as prescribed.
I understand. It can be challenging to remember to take multiple medications. Here are some tips to help. Use a pill organizer to keep track of his medications. Set reminders on your phone or use a medication app. Involve a family member or friend to help monitor his medication intake.
That's a good idea. We'll make sure to implement these strategies.
It's also important to be aware of the potential side effects of his medications. If you notice any unusual symptoms, please don't hesitate to contact us.
We will, Mihira. Thank you for your guidance. Based on our previous conversations, I understand you're curious about a procedure called septoplasty. I'll explain what it involves so you feel comfortable and informed. Septoplasty is a common and straightforward surgical procedure that is usually performed to correct a deviated septum, which is the wall of bone and cartilage that divides your nose into two separate nostrils. The surgery typically takes between 30 and 90 minutes to complete. Before the procedure begins, you will be given a general anesthetic, which means you will be asleep and comfortable throughout the entire surgery. Once you are asleep, the surgeon will make an incision, or a small cut, inside your nose. This allows them to access the cartilage and bone that are causing the blockage. They will then gently reshape or remove the parts of the septum that are bent or crooked, creating a clear and open passage for you to breathe more easily. Following this, the surgeon may place internal splints in your nose. These are thin, soft pieces of material that act like a gentle support, helping to hold the newly straightened septum in place while it heals. These splints are temporary and are usually removed in a few days during a follow-up visit. The goal of this procedure is to improve your breathing and overall quality of life. I know this is a lot of information to take in, and it's completely normal to have questions. Please feel free to share any concerns.